Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is going to be on my favorite recipe ever, and it is how to make chilaquiles. If you would like to see how I make this recipe, please continue to watch. All the ingredients that I will be using today, and to top them off at the end I will be using sour cream and some cheese. Now that my tomatoes are washed and cut in half, I'm going to be using some aluminum foil because I do not want to get that comal dirty, and I'm going to let them cook on high until they get nice and burnt. I'm going to cut my tortillas into tiny squares. You can always use totopos, which is any type of like tortilla chip, anything like that. My mom taught me how to do it with the plain tortillas, so that's the way that I make them from now on, but you can always do them however you like. After that, I'm going to cut my onion. You can cut them in slices, you can use red onion. I'm using just a white onion and I'm just chopping it off in big chunks because that's the way I like it. I'm gonna add some oil. To that I will add the onions. After the onions turn translucent, I'll go ahead and add the tortillas so that way they can start to fry. Also, I'll go ahead and check on my tomatoes. I do like to move them around, so right now I'm using a fork because I had just gotten my nails done, but I usually always use my hands. And you can always move them however you like, but just make sure that all the entire outside of the tomato gets nice and dark. So the salt is all up to you if you want to add salt or not, but the salt needs to be added to the chile sauce, to the tortillas, and to the egg. So if you want to use a little bit or not at all, it's completely up to you. Now that my tomatoes are almost done, I will be using 1 handful of chiles japoneses. The more chiles you use, the more spicier it's going to be. Now I'm just making sure that all of it gets burnt evenly. My tortillas are done, so now I'm going to take 3 eggs and whisk them together and add them to my pan so that way my egg can cook. After you feel like your egg is done cooking, go ahead and lower the heat and add all the sauce that we made. I do like to add a little bit of water depending on how dry or how saucy, if that's even a word, you want your chilaquiles to be, is how much water you're going to use. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I did making it. Let me know any other recipes you would like me to make. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one.